Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add pixel blur effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the effect at the bottom. And after this in here, you just click on the video effect. And now you can click a basic menu. And after this you can swipe down until you can see a pixel blur. This is the pixel blur effect, so you just click on it. And after this you can click check icon at the top. Now you can adjust the effect, so you just click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the noise and for the speed. And after this you can click check icon at the bottom and finish. So that how to add pixel blur effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.